Let's know more about ABA and who can give ABA. So ABA is Applied Behavior Analysis. Yes, it's one name, that is Applied Behavior Analysis or ABA, but there are a lot of subgroups in ABA. So lot of names that are known: NDBI, Pivotal Response Therapy, or Naturalistic Therapy, or Behavior Intervention Plans, or Token Systems. There are a lot of different names that have been given to the subgroups of ABA. Finally, all these come under the blanket of ABA therapy. ABA has multiple names, ABA has multiple techniques to handle behaviors and to teach skills. All these come under the purview of ABA. Can any of these subgroups can be given by anyone? No. ABA professionals can only give all the subgroups that come under ABA. Who are ABA professionals? Ideally, the ABA professional or the person who is eligible to make plans or make protocols or design protocols of ABA for a child is supposed to have a degree known as BCBA, BCABA, QBA or QASPS. So basically they have to be a behavior analysts. Unless they have these degrees, they are not supposed to work independently or do or give therapies or give ABA independently in their centers. Second very important thing is the person who gives therapy or the therapist who is actually linked to your child is again supposed to have the qualification or is supposed to have the education that is a part of ABAT. That is, he needs to have the coursework completed of ABAT, or maybe a therapist needs to be trained with the course of something called as a behavior technician. Anyone who is just coming up and saying, I'm a behavior technician, definitely you need to ask, have you completed the coursework of the behavior technician, which is a US based accreditation as of now. India will soon come up with this. But presently it's a US based accreditation and the coursework needs to be completed by that therapist to give therapy to your child. Thirdly, only and very important thing, that the only person who can be responsible for running a center of ABA has to be a behavior analyst and no one else. Thirdly, very important, there are a lot of branches of ABA known by different name. People cannot run individual branches without having the degree of ABA. So, be it NDBI, be it Pivotal Response Therapy, be it DTT, be it any kind of, there are multiple names which are a part of ABA, has to be given by an ABA therapist or a trained behavior analyst.